Hey guys, I'm up super early this morning. What's really cool is I got this firmware update this morning, and this firmware update has this new mode for the DJI Spark. Check this out. So based on what it says here, what you gotta do is I just got the remote in front of me, but you gotta take a look at the sport mode button right here, and you gotta look at this C1 button. So you push and hold C1, and then you flip over the switch to sport mode, just like that. So normally you just flip over sport mode, but if you hold C1 while doing it, it activates something called Acro Mode. Let's find out what that is. All right, so here we go. Let's see what this does. Right now it seems like regular Spark. Whoa, that was cool. Did you see that? I'm gonna bring it back around here. Seems like maybe they got an update from the Tello here. It does flips. Check this out. Try it again. That's super cool. Look at that. Wow. All you have to do is deflect the sticks in one direction, and it acts like a racing drone. You know, actually, I feel like the controls are a little bit more sensitive than sport mode. Almost doesn't feel like a Spark at all. Seems to do them in every direction. That's crazy. That's super cool, guys. Who knew that the DJI Spark could do this? So there you go, guys. DJI Spark is now way cooler. Alright guys, as some of you might suspect, that video that you just watched was a bit of a lie, a bit of a fib, a bit of an April Fool's prank. That, what you watched, was actually not a DJI Spark. Some of you may have figured that out, some of you maybe not. There is no Acro Mode, I'm sorry guys. As you can see, the body of the Spark can do it, but clearly DJI is not gonna release that anytime soon. I don't think that gimbal would do really well with an Acro Mode. More details coming in a video real soon. If you want to see what that thing actually was, like, subscribe below, hit that notification bell, and you'll find out when we release the next video.